make some noise for the one and the only, my brother, my friend from the South, my good man. I call him Honorable. If you watch Flatmates, he's honorable. Make some noise for my brother, Dan, the Humourous.
Okay, how are you? I will not quarrel now. How are you? You're blessed. You're blessed. You know, say for social media now, they say, what did I talking? Say, wahala be like a bicycle. No be lie, yo. Now, so person go church this weekend, come back with 2 swollen eyes. The wife ask him, the first day, 1 swollen eye. Wetin happen? He say, woman blow me for church. Why she blow you? We stand up to sing hymn. Skirt don't enter the middle of her in here. As a good Nigerian, he won't help bring out skirt. She done verse, blowing eye. Say, okay, no problem. They put ice block. You come back Sunday morning, second eye don't swell. The wife said, wetin do this eye again? He said, now that woman no. Wetin happen? You go to can for the skirt? No. As we stand up, the skirt don't enter the middle. Another man come out. I tell the man, say, no, this woman they like me person, they come out. Now help put them back inside. People just like to find problem anyhow. This English, where they make people speak anyhow. May they allow us speak our native language more rest. Even teachers who are supposed to teach us the English are frustrated. I see person picking school result last year September, picking pass exam finish, promote to the next class. Teacher write she has passed away to the next class. I think say now other people teacher they get that problem. I don't know say even my children teacher get that problem. Teacher called me from school the other day. Sir, please bring your daughters. I said, what's the problem? He said, sir, your daughter's water broke. I said, what? He says, sir, your daughter's water broke. I say, how can her water broke? She's just 4 years old. Her water cannot broke. What happened? Water bottle fell. Now me water broke. Me, I think said, the only teachers get the problem. Me, self, get the problem. Them bomb my pikin new. I snap a picture where they sleep. I don't know when I write rest on, son. Now people come, they call, sorry. I say, no, now sleepy, they sleep. Whatever you do in this life, get money. Make sure say you get money, because the more you get money, the more you're not going to put effort to do certain things. That's why if you see some big men, if they talk, you know they hear their voice. Their voice don't compress, finish. I see one man from Lagos, I saw you, he told me, young man, I like you, you're really good. What's up? I go to the man's house, the man calling steward, Ojo come. I go back here and say, come, Oga. What's in your Oga talk? He said, I know here. I said, so what you go do? Everything. That's why they work every day. Everything. I said, no, this cannot continue. I took it upon myself. I said, youth. The guy come meet me. The meeting we asked for, said, I'm actually done. I need you for my event on the 23rd December. Are you free? Now me, making no sense to talk to a fellow big man. Now taking my voice, times 40. Actually, I think I'm free. The guy see waiting that they do, now he's taking his own times 85. How much will you take? I'm taking my own 146. Around 2.8 billion. 5 minutes into the conversation, the only thing they hear now. And you know, say, as you do this thing, you exhale without inhaling. And this man now 62. Me, I still young. 40 still far from me. Where? Only and I look me. Young man, can we talk with normal voice? I said, no, we will kill ourselves here today. Now you start. Seriously, it's good to get money for life because everything where you they do, you know they do them with power. If you see where big men they chop, camera, give me one of these things. Give me one of those flats. Yes. Yeah. Come on, the ribbon. If you go buffet, you go know when rich man want chop and when who never get money want chop. Because first of all, as a big man, if you're somebody like all these that go to them, by the time you wake up, you think of your refinery, all those things, you drink juice, you chop salad, yeah, okay. But now some of us, we never know how tomorrow will be. So anyone who will see, we dive everything immediately. See big man for buffet. What is this? Fried rice. No, oil. Your jollof, oil. Because they don't want to die, leave the money for anybody. Very wicked people. What's this? Basmati. Oh, 1 spoon. That's all right. Yeah. What do you have here? Chicken. Oh, white meat. Beef, red meat. They know the color of all the meat. And casserole. That's fine. Yeah. Liver. Fruit salad. Yes. Bowl of water. Some plate. It's okay. See the other people. From line 9, they don't they blow siren. And I don't know why they always hold plate like this. Waiting be their problem with plates like this. If the plate there your front, police go arrest you. Always. They'll show the anger. Then they'll go start. Now wow. Why this line need a move? This thing na FunnyBone family. We don't know why other people family they here. Where then they when they buy they suffer. He can't reach their turn. Wait a minute, this fried rice put. Put now our brother money put. Wait a minute, this jollof put. Wait a minute, this chicken pull 4. You get poultry pull 4. Wait a minute, this cow leg pull 6. Now my body they enter pull 6. Wait a minute, this chicken casserole, Chicken. People they chop and they know they die. Food. Wait a minute, this fufu. Nobody tell me. I beg, bring extra plate for me, dear. I beg. Now those type of people in this life, they can't distress us. And by the way, make I just do this one sharply. Men, I am here for you. All this thing where they do women inequality. Feminists. That one concern you now. Okay, don't already tell you now. We don't know I want this as far now. Me, I am leading a movement called the masculinists. We are the masculinists. We say, when I not be feminists, we'll be masculinists. Because men, we are under pressure. Men don't go feel express themselves well again. You go see women, they go see themselves. Fine girls. Oh, Lydia. Oh, Cynthia. Oh, You not go feel see your guy. Go say, oh, Tony. Ooh, hey. What's with that now? Pressure. Go toilet now. You go see women, they toilet. Maybe somebody, don't move somewhere. Go say, oh, my sister, can you help me? I don't know why these people cannot stay in one place. She go help you. Make you come there. Your boss has gone. Say, brother, please. I don't know why. Can you help me? Now you go say, hey, no, don't try that rubbish. Don't try it. I will arrest you. Don't try it. Pressure everywhere. Go church. Go church now. Pastor go say, all those who need the fruit of the womb, come out, let the Lord pray for you. Receive your miracle of the fruit of the womb. Now only women, they come out. Meanwhile, science tell us, say, more than half of cases of infertility now from men. Yet, now women, they come out. Why? Pressure. Because as women, they come out, they enjoy empathy. People, they look and say, hey, yeah, Sister Rose, che, God now. Hey, after 10 years, God do it for them. Make man get mind. All those with the fruit of the womb, you carry your baby. You go, they feel, you know, ever they walk out, they feel gossip on top of your shoulder. Now, well, When they go say, men come out. Now Samson too go follow come out. Samson, you don't know you're made for Bible where destroy city. Come on to destroy one Cynthia, you know go fit. Meanwhile, every morning they carry iron. Walk out. Walk out the one where they your room, you know go fit walk out. Nonsense. And besides, if the man come out, how pastor won't take minister to run? If you get headache, where pastor go lay hands on? Answer me, I beg. If you get headache, where pastor go lay hands on? If you're blind or you get eye problem, where pastor go lay hands on? If you get heart problem, where pastor go lay hands on? Man will come out for issue of the fruit of the womb. Where pastor go lay hand on? And pastor need to lay hand for as long as the problem has stayed. You are now there 17 years, no issue. You can't say the pressure is too much, and the one way they make me first pass. Women go when they give men pressure. I like a man who stay on top of me for 1 hour. Rubbish. Guess, let me tell you, any man who stay on top woman, madam, are you listening to me? You in blue. They have reported you to me. Any man that stay on top of you 1 hour is unemployment. No work. See all these big boys, see all of them. Where they are the highest, where they do like this. 8 minutes, 42 seconds. Highest. You're going to pressure you. Men too, don't fall under that pressure. You're going to harder. Before they do harder. Cardiac arrest, they wave you. I know say now you know hard. As you die, they put COVID-19 on top of your head. So as a man, let me advise you for free. You can still perform very well, but you will use effective management of time. Take run up. Now, every man, the way our face is different, our destiny, our fingerprint is different. Now, so what they call our arrival number, they're different. Arrival number is the number of seconds you take to arrive. Now, how do you calculate or know your arrival number? When you go home, you practice with yourself and your machine. Google. As you do, they count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till you reach somewhere. If you know maths well, you can calculate your average. You do 3 attempts, you calculate your mean, median, and mode. You get your average. Yes. Like for me, for example, my arrival number is 75. But I use it very well. How do I use it? If I find myself in sports arena, trying to use the arrival number, I really ever forget the number from my head. So as I go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 72, 73, 74. No allow that 75 reach. 72, 74, you pull out, you reset. You come back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 72, 73, 74. You pull out, you reset. You come back again. 1, 2, you put more creativity inside. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, pull out. So now, in case we jam this night now, because women own the day, ask men own. I come say, man, what is your own? He said, my own is 300. I said, Jesus, that's a lot. You know what will happen? Can you commence? Start your own. 1, 2, 3. As you reach 225, I meet you with my 75. Everybody's happy. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.